Be sure to cook. Today we're going to be doing meatball subs, but we're going to do everything homemade. Now I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning inside of there. I'm going to give this a great stir. Look at that, guys. I am good to go. I hear me. Yes. Oh my God, that is wonderful. So that was about 4 to 5. Come back. Bye. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. I want to apologize to all my watchers. I haven't been out for a while, but I'm back and I'm doing stronger and stronger recipes. Today, we're going to be making blueberry drop-ins. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I've got some blueberries here that I've already went through some of them. And you really want to go through them and make sure you feel them good. Some of them are really soft. You want to discard those. And I want the real hard and firm ones. Not really hard, but I want the real firm ones. So I went through some of them that I had here. I've got another pack here. These are the 18 ounces. It totals to 1 pound and 2 ounces. And I've already got that. So I'm going to take it, cut this off here, what's holding this tray together, and I'm going to go through these just like I went through my other ones here. So I just want to open that up because they really make sure it's closed, which is really good. You can get these frozen, you can get these fresh like I do, but see how they have it where they have the stem might be still on here. What I'm doing is I'm kind of like going through these berries and kind of filling them. These are going to be washed and they like really soft. Like this right here is like really mushy soft. I'm discarding that. So I kind of want to fill those. So it's going to take a longer time. So let me go ahead and go through these and fill these real good. And the ones that feel firm, I keep. The ones that are a little mushy, I don't want to keep. Okay, now after I went through my berries and got the ones, well, here's how I figure, and this is the way I work. I like a berry come in, the berries are, firm. And if you get a mushy berry and it's mushy, that means it's soft. To me, it's rotten and it's going to make your pie or your dessert bitter. You want the firm berries. They don't come in soft, they come in firm, and this is what you want. You want firm. So I know people don't want to do it because it takes a lot of time because these things are little bitty. And you don't want to do, look at each berry, make sure it's not rotten. And if you might skip a part like that, where it looks like it's rotten, discard that. And that's what I've done. I've looked through these and I did not look because I missed out on one, but I did look, I found it, and that's the good thing. So you make sure they are, because if you got some that are very, very soft and they're busting in your hand and they're not, it's just like getting a strawberry. You get a strawberry, you want a firm strawberry, a strawberry that's firm. You don't want a soft and goozing out juice. It's no good. You want to discard it. Same thing with these berries. So let's wash these. Okay, after I thoroughly rinsed off my berries, I washed this out, I dried it out, and I'm going to put my loose berries that you can still it's got a little water on it. I've got some lemon juice, some real lemon juice. I'm going to add just a drop or so lemon juice in there. And I'm just going to bounce these around or lightly. Because I don't want a lemony taste, but I don't want them to turn on me either. There we go. Yes. I've got a cup of sugar that I'm going to add in here. I put a cup of sugar into my bowl. Then I'm going to add, I know this is kind of like different, a little different. I'm going to add a half-third cup of orange juice. So it's 1/3 cup of orange juice. And I'm using some good orange juice because I'm using some Sunny D, but you can use whatever you want. 1/3 cup. And I'm going to also do the same with some apple juice that I have here. I know it's different. It doesn't really come with pie, but this is my recipe. So I'm going to use some of that, and then I'm going to use some water. I'm going to use a cup of water to this. And then let me get my water, and I'll be right back. I'm using a cup of water. And then I'm going to be coming over here using my spatula stick. And I'm just going to mix this up really good, lightly. You don't want to stir like you're stirring a soup. You just want to gently toss these because you don't want these to break. And that sugar and everything. I'm going to pour this into my baking pot with the sugar and all. And I'm going to let this boil. I gave it a little flavor, guys. And I want this to burst and boil. And if it boils down, just add a little bit more, apple juice or orange juice or even water, and this is going to turn out really good. So let's put this on a medium high and let it go to work. Okay, this is what the pie looks like. It has been out of the oven. I had to let it cool. Blueberries are very, very stainful. So as you see, as it cooked, it popped up and it just got blueberries juice all over and stained the glass. So sometimes it's not going to come out exactly pretty when you're doing it because it pops in the oven, and that's what it's. So in the end of this, I put the rest of the crust. I cut them in triangles and I put them on top so I can have filling on top, filling in the bottom, the dumplings in the bottom. So this is what it looked like, and I let it cool and let it thicken up. We're gonna go ahead and plate this with a little bit of Cool Whip on top. You can also use ice cream too, but I'm using just regular old, plain old Cool Whip. Nothing fancy, just a little bit of Cool Whip. So we get ready to plate this up, so let's get ready to do this. I got a little ceramic bowl here, and we're just gonna, ooh, perfect. We're just gonna pull this out with a little bit of the crust on there, and look at that. Well, that crust is like, and look at that. Look at all those dumplings. Oh, you're gonna see that. Look at that. And that's what I'm looking for. So you don't want it too thick, and you don't want it too thin, You want it just like this, where you can just see all of the dumplings and the berries on here. Let's clean it up. I'm gonna make it look really looking really good. So we're just gonna add some Cool Whip, a little dips of Cool Whip on here because it's still kind of warm. A little bit of dip of Cool Whip. Okay, so here it is, blueberry drop-ins, a little whipped cream on there, or you can have ice cream, it's whatever you like. Hey, I thank you for coming and watching the show. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back next time so we can make more dishes, more things. I'll see you next time. Bye.